Hey again. Okay, so it's breakfast. Today it's kind of like I eat once a day. So, do I look terrible? I just woke up. I kind of look terrible. I look my age. Don't tell me. So, anyway, I have my morning cup of coffee. And I have some leftover food from yesterday. I haven't even been well for a few days. I've been like sick. Like 8 days. I've just had like a runny nose and some kind of flu or something. I don't know. So, how are you? How is the morning treating you? Are you good? Are you suffering if you had a hangover from last night? It was Sunday yesterday. Today's Monday for me. So yeah, I stayed in bed. Mm. Actually, I slept on the sofa. You can't really tell. That's the wrong sofa. Mm. I needed that. I was feeling so like lack of sleep or whatever, but I know I slept because I'm awake. I have like puffy eyes. I look like a cartoon character, you know, like your head is like really ballooned. I have like masses of rash on my head, y'all. I don't even know why that is. It's just masses of rash. I thought it were like spots, but they're rashes. Anyway, this is kind of almost cold now. Mm. 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 I forgot napkins. You can always use the bread. It tastes a bit like paper, so. Mm. 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 I think it's like Stone Bake Goodfellas. It's not a pizza I normally buy. Obviously, everyone buys Domino's. I don't think there's anybody here that doesn't buy Domino's. Who doesn't think Domino's has the best pizza? I got the best pizza. And thin crust is my favorite. Thin crust, Italian base. I could just eat that. That's really gross. Alright, I should get some tissue. I don't have any. They're way, way, way over there. Hold on. Oh my god. So yeah. Um, I usually like Domino's pizza. It's just the best. The best pizza. But I got some from the supermarket yesterday and decided that I would have it for breakfast. Not even breakfast. It's like 11 o'clock. It's like 11:30, 11:40. Oh. Mm. 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 It's 11:40 in the morning. I don't know. I gotta wake up. I just feel like I slept, but I just didn't. Maybe I didn't sleep well, or I just didn't really enjoy my sleep that well. So, I didn't enjoy my sleep that well. So, you know, God only knows what's really going on. I don't have a clue. Yeah. Mm. Mm. I've been living on YouTube for the last few days. Literally living on YouTube. So, just watching loads and loads of videos. I don't want to touch anything because my hands feel all greasy. I decided not to film like in my kitchen because it wasn't really working out as well as I thought it would. So I'm just using my phone. Or I need to get a camera. I have one, but I don't have a tripod. Anyway, it's like, when you just decide to do something, you just decide to do something, and then the world kind of is whatever the world is. You know what I mean? It's not like it's like a big deal, and I'm gonna go out and spend like hundreds of pounds. Like, and because it's like I just really want to relax, and enjoy life and stuff. Oh. Mhm. Mm. 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 There's a video. They have a video on in the background, so when anything happens, I'm like, oh yeah, what's happening? It's not because like, oh, the phone's falling over, whatever. In case you're curious, where my eyes are gonna darten all over the place. It's not I have Tourette's, or I don't even know what Tourette's is. I swear to God, Tourette's is the thing where you scream out words, right? So it's got nothing to do with your eyes. So basically, it's not like I have any. I'm medicated or should be medicated. That would take far more effort than I'm really willing to put into this thing. By the way, y'all, it's not like I haven't done videos before, but I'm so inconsistent. I'm working on that. Can you tell? Mm-hmm. 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 Which one? Mm-hmm. 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 I'm just trying the more laid back approach to it all. You know what would be nicer? If I had a camera that I can look down like this. I love that look where your head looks really big. Your chin looks really small. Something wrong with me, right? My mom told me. I'm joking. Again. I haven't talked to her in years. I'm joking. I'm joking. I talked to her just the other day. Soon ago. So, normally I don't like to drink with this, but I don't like to eat. I don't like to eat. Not a particular time of day or week or month or year. I don't like to eat. I just find it inconvenient. This is the thing. You spend money on food. Food is overpriced, right? You're supposed to go out in the back garden and pick things and put it in the pot. Like, I was brought up in Jamaica. That's what you did. Even the chickens. Just pick them, chop their head off, and put them in the pot. That sounds horrible. Anyway, so now I'm not in Jamaica anymore. What am I supposed to do? Adapt? Okay. So I'm going to go to the store and spend a extortionate amount of money on food. I'm going to sit down. I'm going to fill my gut up to the point where it starts to expand and expand and expand. My clothes won't even look cute anymore. And then I'm just going to go and pass it all away. Give it all away. And then the waste disposal company is going to charge me for cleaning the water for me to brush my teeth in the same water that I used to pass this food once it's been, I don't know, whatever the gut does, absorbed into your blood cells. It's like an addition. It's just excessive, don't you think? And I just think it's a waste. I mean, it literally is waste. So I don't really like to spend too much time on it. Once a day. Water. I need water. I can't find anywhere around it. I need water. I need some food. Not as much as other people. I admitted, and that's okay. Everybody for each to their own. Excuse me for sniffing. It's spicy too. I had extra peppers. What is that? Yeah, that's breakfast over. So, it was a lovely 10 minutes I spent with you. I don't know. There are no blonde people in my house. I think it was a piece of cardboard or string. It's pretty much disgusting. I don't think it's cheese. Nope, it's the hair. It's like a strange piece of hair. Oh my god, it's even soft. Conditioned, maybe. Can you see it? It's blonde, isn't it? Yeah. No. I'm not hungry. I need to make a complaint to the pizza making company about putting that piece of hair in there. And we need to come to a compromise about how we're going to deal with this situation. I'm just going to live on coffee. No harm, no foul. You can't catch AIDS from here, can you? Can you catch any kind of airborne bacteria? Okay, so I'm safe. Well, that has been today.